Look at families of quadratics. And as long as you understand quadratics somewhat, and there are three major different forms, we have our standard, factored, and our vertex form, then it's relatively simple to understand where a family of quadratics will come from. And there are three main families, okay? And now they're not separated by their forms, but they're separated by specific coordinates. For instance, a family of quadratics that all have the same y-intercept, I should say quadratics that all have the same y-intercept would be the same family with the same y-intercept. And that's easiest found when a quadratic is put in the standard form. If their c values are all the same, then all of their y-intercepts are the same. If a set of quadratics all have the same x-intercepts, and it's easiest to find x-intercepts when in factored form, that would be the r and the s value. If these are the same, then they're of the same family of all having the same x-intercepts. And finally, the vertex of the quadratic. If several quadratics have the same vertex, okay, and that is most easily seen in vertex form, that would be their h and k values being the same, then they're of the same family of vertex. So let's see that graphed here. So I have our three different versions here, and we'll start with, I'll turn them off, just the y-intercept. And our y-intercept here is 0, 1. And no matter what I do to the a and b, and again, this is specifically standard form, okay, as we change it, as our a value gets wider and our b value, you can see, these quadratics all have the same y-intercept. And look, I can just kind of play them all at the same time. And the y-intercepts all are always 0, 1. So everything I'm showing you, there's so many different ones I'm showing you here, are all of the exact same family. Okay, let's pause this. The next one I'll show you, they both have the same x-intercepts. Okay, and I guess I could have called this a. Let's call that a again. Oops. Lowercase a. We'll get rid of the c slider. Okay, and again, they all have the same x-intercept. So as I move the a value, okay, we'll play it as it goes. All of these quadratics, though the a value is different, and each of them being a different technical function, they're of the same family because their x-intercepts are the exact same. All of those have the exact same x-intercept. Okay, and then finally our vertex form, and same thing. I'll change this back to a so it's a little easier. This vertex had -1 and 4. Okay, so as we change the a value, all of these being different functions, still, their vertex is the exact same, so they're all of the same form. Now, it is possible to have several quadratics written in factored form and them still all having the same y-intercept, but you'll have to, it's easiest to find them by changing to their specific one. So easiest to find y-intercepts with standard, x-intercepts with factored, and then the vertex with the vertex form. So you may want to change certain quadratics to those specific forms to see if they are of the exact same family. Let's bring this back to something we're a little more used to. 1 here. There you go. Okay.